If you are wondering if you can pay with your Realme GT 7T, then the answer is yes, you can easily make contactless payments with this phone. In order to do so, first we need to go to settings, as we need to turn on NFC. So we need to open connection and sharing, and over here we have NFC. Make sure that it is enabled. Besides that, we can choose the default NFC app, and we're gonna use Google Wallet in this case. So make sure that it is here. Now, we're gonna open the wallet app, so we can find it in the app drawer. In case you don't have this app, you can simply open the Play Store, and you should be able to search for wallet in order to find it and install it. Of course, the Google Wallet over here. So install the app in case you don't have it, and then we can open it. All right, now we can press View Wallet here. Then we can allow notifications, and you can either press Add Payment Card over here, or we can press Add to Wallet and then Payment Card. By doing so, you should be able to open the rear camera so that you can scan your credit or debit card. You can scan the details, or you can press Enter Details manually in order to do so. So fill everything in and then press Save and Continue, and follow the instructions that you will see on this screen in order to finalize this process. And once you add your card, you should be able to pay with your phone. Remember to have NFC enabled every time you try to make the payment. If you are not using NFC, or if the NFC is not really required to be used at a given moment, then of course you can turn it off for now and only turn it on when you are about to pay with your phone. And also remember to unlock your phone to be able to make the payment. So just go through the lock screen, unlock your phone, and then you should be able to use your phone in order to pay with it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.